Today, this taxi is benefiting from our two-step cleaning and disinfection process. Step 1 involves the thorough cleaning and disinfection of all surfaces using Bacoban, a cleaner containing a biocide that not only kills bacteria and viruses during cleaning, when combined with step 2, the fogging process, it continues to kill them for up to 10 days. As you can see from the video, all hard surfaces are thoroughly cleaned, especially those that are likely to be touched by anyone during normal day-to-day use. Of course, disinfection takes place during the cleaning process. A thorough clean throughout the vehicle includes all windows and glass, all leather seating and upholstery, and not forgetting all seat belts and seatbelt clips. It's also important to remember the courtesy handles, as well as all external door handles. We recommend running the air conditioning system during the fogging process, making sure to put it in recirculation mode, as this ensures the biocide coats the whole system. The initial cleaning is important in the disinfection process and in preparing for fogging, which is designed to ensure that all surfaces get treated. Don't forget to fog the luggage compartment as well as the passenger area. And that's it! Dry and ready to go in just a few minutes. Simply repeat this process every 7 days for ongoing protection.